Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I'm going to show you a different way that we could use the flip cups. Because this is day 4 of the 5-day event. I figured instead of just doing normal flip cups in a normal traditional type way, I'll show you a different thing we could do, being a little crafty, okay? And we're going to actually call upon using the transfer technique and style, like the dustpan pour for doing this. We're going to do flip cup transfers. It's going to be cute. It's going to be a sort of big video, I guess, but a very little canvas. This is just an 8x10. We're going to layer about 4 cups right here. I'm going to show you how to do the plates, okay? It's going to be very easy. Let me show you right now. Basically, what you want to do for the plates here is this. Take your cups, whatever size plate you have, measure your cups out, okay? Because you only need a half a plate. So you want to pretty much do that, and then we're going to cut down the plate. You're going to see later we're going to do the exact same thing as the video's going on. All right, again, my voice is still a little out of it, so sorry if I'm not as loud as I normally would be. But I wanted to share this with all of you, especially on this channel, because you guys know we like to dive into some fun stuff here. You guys are kind of very special to me. And not like, look, everybody is special, but you guys watch me do some crazy stuff here. So, all right, here we go. With that being said, you know the colors are down in the description. That's easy. We want to jump into this. And you know what, guys? I will see you on the other side. Let's go.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take, and lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. Hey. Leave it all for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles upon the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
All right, everyone. I am back in here, and I love these little cups. You know that. All right, let's check these out. Here we go. Ooh, look at this little baby. Oh, so cute. Very cute. Okay, let's get on to the next part, because I want to talk you through this next part, because it's very fun. All right. We're going to use this canvas for a second, because obviously this is now a mess, and I think putting the canvas here would be a mistake. And remember, I did show you that cup before And I was wondering, if I only needed 4, why did I have 5? I have no idea. But now I understand why. Hold on one second. Yeah, my voice is still pretty bad. But check this out. Oh, actually, I need another one. Oh, 2 cups. All right, so here we go. Like I said, you want to measure it out, okay? Because what we're going to do now is we want to cut these plates in half. So we don't need a whole plate for this. All right, it doesn't have to be perfect. Matter of fact, that's good enough. Take these off. Boom. All right, nice. There we go. All right, yay. All right, we have 2. Let's do that again. This time we don't even need the cups. We'll just use a half of this. How's that sound? Awesome. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm talking very low today. Oh, boy. All right, here we go. And done. Let's see. Do we have 4? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so what I want to do here is I want to flip these cups. Now, I would have liked to flip the cups on the canvas, but it does not look like that's going to happen here. So let's flip the cups off. Oh, let's figure this out. Can we make this work? I don't think so. Nope. All right. Back to the drawing board. Let's move these down. Let's flip singularly. We're going to flip singularly, then we're going to put them to the side, and then we're going to use them later. You're going to see what we're going to do. Oh, I'm sorry. It's very late, like always, but I want to get this done for you guys. I love this. This is going to be so much fun. I did bring some popsicle sticks because what you need to do is, when they're done, and they have some stuff in it, use the popsicle stick underneath one end to keep it from falling off the side. That's it. Very easy. All right, let's do this. I'm going to put this here. Canvas is still in frame. We're going to go back into some music. You know what, guys? I will see you on the other side. Oh, let's just clean this up for a second because this is wild. Here we go. I want to be a little more organized. Oh, whew. Yeah, being sick is crazy because it gets you out of sorts sometimes. I like to be in flow with things. Being sick, not in flow. All right, here we go. Let's go into this, and I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, let's come down here because that was pretty cool. All right, here we go. Not only do we have 4 flip cups into those paper plates, I figured I'd also give you a little 4-corner tilt. That was the easiest way to do that, really. Wow, that was really fun. I like that so much. It's almost like the crafty way to do flip cups, kind of. Like, you know what I mean? Probably some bigger plates and maybe a larger canvas. Wow, yeah, I could see we could do something. And you know what? Actually, next time I do that, I think if you guys don't mind, I would like to add some silicone in there. Because, you know, I always say it, I'm not against it. And I think a lot of you probably aren't either. But we'd like to see some more dramatic cells out of this. And we want to add some silicone in there. I think that's the way to go. Since we use American Floetrol, we don't have Australian Floetrol that I use here. It's American Floetrol, so it's not going to generate as much. So, whew, yeah, I'm tired. I'm still way out of it. All right, here we go. Let's torch this up one last time. Get rid of any pesky little bubbles here. Maybe get some cell action going on. But I love it. These colors are great. I just wanted to try these colors out, test for some potential color palettes for October for the Pick My Pour on the other channel, the Michael Making Art channel. So I figured, let's test this color palette out, and I kind of really like it. All right, so that being said, guys, I do want to thank you for hanging out with me and checking this out. That was pretty interesting, and I hope that you try that at home. It's very easy. I showed you what to do. Cut the plates, do the flip cups. Very easy. Nice little transfer action. It'll get you used to doing transfers. All right, that being said, guys, I will see you later. Hang out for that close-up. Bye.